Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 when it says cannot download for your games or your DLC. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you're trying to download a game or a new DLC just got released on your PlayStation 4, and it's under the notification sections right here. And if you go to download, you can see it downloading. However, you may get an error where it says cannot download all of a sudden. And sometimes you'll actually have an issue with the free space available on your PlayStation 4. If you go to the settings option right here and select this and then go down to storage, you will see that you have enough free space for the game to actually download. However, you need more than what's available for the download. So if it only says like 50 gigabytes for the free space and the game is like 50 gigabytes, you will need more than what's available. So it can be a little bit difficult to kind of actually know how much free space is needed for the DLC or the game. So go to your applications and go through here and find unwanted games or unneeded games to go ahead and delete. Now, if you're on the original PlayStation 4, and you do not have an upgraded hard drive, if you have Black Ops 4 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare on your PlayStation 4, that is pretty much the only two games you can have. So it's getting to the point with Modern Warfare, you are going to have to delete any other game on your hard drive and only have one game. So go through your capture gallery as well and delete any unused video clips or saved screenshots. Now, another thing you can go ahead and do, if it's not downloading and it's not related to your storage problem, go back to the original settings menu and then go to network and then go to set up internet connection. Then if you have the option to use a LAN cable or an Ethernet cable and plug that into the back of your PlayStation 4, this will provide you the quickest and fastest and most reliable download option versus Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is going to be significantly slower and less effective. So I would say if you have the option to use a LAN cable, definitely do that. Your downloads will be much quicker. So I'm going to go to set up internet connection and I'm going to use LAN, but you can still use Wi-Fi for the setup. Then go to custom under here. And then we're going to do a custom internet connection. Then automatic for the IP address. Do not specify for the DHCP hostname. And then for the DNS settings, let's go to manual. And under here, type in 8.8.8.8. After you're done, go to the secondary DNS and type in 8.8.4.4. After you're done, and then go to next. Automatic for the MTU settings. Proxy server, do not use. And go to test internet connection. And just see what your download speed and your upload speed are now. And it looks like everything on my end is successful. And I have a download speed of about 72 and an upload of 2.4. So if you are still having problems with your download not going through, let's go ahead and launch our PlayStation 4 into safe mode by holding down the PlayStation button and then going to power and turning off our PlayStation 4 completely. Don't go to enter rest mode. We want it to be completely turned off. So let's turn off our PlayStation 4 now. So on the front of our PlayStation 4, to launch our PlayStation into rest mode, go ahead and locate the power button right here and hold this down. You will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear about 5 to 6 seconds later another beep. Then go ahead and let go once you hear the second beep, and locate a USB to micro USB cable in your house and plug one into the front of your PlayStation. And then plug in your PlayStation 4 controller. You cannot operate the safe mode menu with a Bluetooth device, so you need to plug in your controller to your PlayStation 4 manually. When this screen pops up, go ahead and press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you'll be able to use it on this menu now. Now, if you are having problems downloading, one thing that may have occurred is you're having problems with the system software update. What you can do is go to option number 3 here and try updating using the internet and just reinstall the latest update for the firmware on your PlayStation 4. Now back out of update system software and go to option number 5, rebuild database. And this is going to go ahead and fix any kind of corrupted data on your PlayStation 4 hard drive. So if we select this, It says the database will be rebuilt, and it may take a few hours to rebuild the database. However, in my experience, it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to go ahead and do. So press OK. And your PlayStation 4 will restart now. And this is actually pretty good for your hard drive to do this every once in a while, maybe a couple times a year for sure, just to fix any kind of corrupted data issues you're having. So when your PlayStation 4 restarts now, it's going to give you a blue screen with a little timer on it, giving you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to go ahead and take to rebuild the database on your PlayStation 4. So mine says it's going to take 4 minutes to go ahead and do. So it's not very long at all. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out in some capacity. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to the PlayStation 4 video game console coming up next on YourSixStudios.